Let's get this party started! For the first idea, you need a small box. Cut the corners, so when you take off the lid, the box falls open. Cover it with squares of shiny foam paper. Take pieces of a ribbon. Fasten hearts on the sides. Put sachets of instant coffee and cappuccino into the ribbons. To make life even sweeter, put chocolates and candy bars in too. Put a napkin and a cup in the middle. Put the box together and attach the lid. Attach pictures of coffee cups. Tie a satin ribbon around the lid. This is a perfect gift for a coffee lover. Your friend can't wait to find out what's inside. She takes the lid off. Wow! It's all my favorite things! What a great surprise! Getting letters is always so heartwarming and fun. Put a card in an envelope. Seal it. Take a cork and a button with an engraving. Fasten it to the cork. Next, you need a couple of twigs and dried lavender and crayons. Heat a crayon with a lighter and drip wax on the lavender. The wax sets and seals the lavender on the paper. Press the button into the wax. Tint the stamp with sparkly powder. The result is an envelope with a bright wax seal and dried flowers. I wonder who this beautiful envelope is for. And now take a glass flask and a red satin ribbon. Tie the ribbon around the top of the flask. Pour glitter in using a funnel. Alternate layers to make multicolored stripes. Fasten a magic dust label and a toothpick with a star. Cut stars out of a piece of sparkly foam paper. Glue them together. Attach the stick using a hot glue gun. Put the magic wand in the flask with sparkles. This magical flask will be a wonderful gift for people who believe in fairies. Oh, I think the magic worked! My crush noticed me! Next, take a sheet of red foam paper. Put a book in the middle. Fold up the edges and secure them with tape. Now, glue the edges. Take red acrylic paint and ping pong balls. Paint the balls red. Fasten a piece of white foam paper to the book. Hot glue the balls on. Cut leaves and twigs out of green foil. Glue the leaves to the cherries. Decorate the cover with motivational phrases. Homemade gifts are always special. A book with a creative cherry cover will bring a smile to your face and set a positive mood for the whole day. Here's another craft idea. First, draw an outline of a diamond on a piece of cardboard. Cut it out. Make one more piece. Cut out the same parts from green foil. Draw the edges of the diamond. Cut along the lines. Glue the foil to the cardboard. Cut out pieces of foam paper to match the cardboard pieces. Attach the foam paper to the cardboard. Place lip gloss, nail polish, and a small nail file on the diamond. Glue on cardboard walls. Now attach the second part. Glue a piece of foam paper so you can move the lid. Decorate it with bright stickers. Every girl loves jewelry, so this diamond would make a great present, even if the real presents are inside the diamond. And now you need a cardboard box. Mark it up and make a cut. Count out how much money you want to give. Lay the bills on the line. Join them with tape. Trim it. Use a pencil to roll the bills like this. Place the bundle in the box and push the last bill into the slot. Take pieces of foam paper. Draw a semicircle. Cut it out. Draw a tongue with a marker. Fasten the tongue to the bill. Glue on some eyes. Decorate the box with a big bow. Look, it's a funny box with a tongue. If you pull the tongue, a money ribbon appears. Money as a gift is always useful. After all, now the recipient of the gift can buy whatever they want. And now we'll tell you how to make something interesting out of a regular wine glass. Paint the stem of the glass with pink acrylic paint. Apply several layers. Take some red glitter. Cover the stem of the glass. Now you need big glitter and confetti. Pour it in the glass. Put your favorite snacks in the glass. Creative packaging is way more impressive than just a handful of candy. Do you know how to present a bottle of wine as a gift? You need double-sided foam tape. Glue strips of tape to form rings. Remove the protective layer. Take artificial flowers. Fasten the branches of flowers in a circle. Tie a rope around the bottle. Use tulle for decoration. Spread a piece of tulle on the table. Put the bottle in the center. Gather the tulle to make light folds. The final touch is a satin bow. A bouquet for a girls' night out is ready. 2 gifts in one, delicious wine and a beautiful decoration. And if you combine it with a glass of candy, your friend will definitely like this unusual wine bouquet. For this idea, take a box and a piece of cardboard and print the cover of a biology textbook. Fasten the cover to the cardboard. Trim the excess. Fasten the lid to the box. Decorate the bottom of the box with bright scrapbook paper. Now you need toothpicks and mini marshmallows. String the marshmallows on the toothpicks. You get sweet mini kebabs. Take 2 jelly sticks. Insert the kebabs in the sticks. Put the second stick on the other side. Spin it in a spiral. Put it in the biology box. What do we have here? Ooh, an edible DNA molecule? I have never tried this before. Do you want to know how to decorate a regular box? Cut a square out of a sheet of paper. Draw the template of the box. Wrap the box in paper. Secure it with double-sided tape. Fasten a small ball of thread. Lay out a heart made out of threads. Hot glue the heart down. Trim the thread. Draw a cat paw with a black marker. Don't forget to draw claws. Kittens love playing with yarn. Insert a toothpick as a knitting needle into the yarn. The result is a box with a funny picture. It looks very cute. For this idea, take a piece of shiny foam paper and a camera stencil. Cut the foam paper following the stencil. Attach a bright picture. It's time to travel! Cut out a circle and decorate it with sparkling foam paper. Add some sparkly details. Draw camera film on a thin paper strip. Cut out pictures of famous places. The Statue of Liberty, the Eiffel Tower, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and Big Ben. Glue the pictures down. Glue an arrow made out of foam paper. Fasten a strip of foam paper to the back of the camera. Insert the arrow with photos into it. Attach the second foam paper stencil using hot glue. Pull the arrow and a film with pictures from your travels appears out of a shiny camera. Give your friend the gift with instructions. Be sure to visit these places this year. There is no such thing as too many gifts, so here is another idea. Draw a box template on a piece of cardboard. Cut it out. Bend it along the lines. Fold a cardboard box. Hot glue it together. Leave the lid of the box unglued. Take pieces of foam paper. Glue them to the box. Fasten colored circles. Make a square hole in the front wall. Glue a plastic door. Lay shiny foam paper on the bottom of the oven. Attach a bright handle. Attach a congratulatory label and buttons made out of rhinestones. Put a real cupcake in the oven. A delicious cupcake fresh out of the oven will be the perfect gift for a sweet-toothed friend. It's a small present, but it'll make your friend so happy. I hate it when I forget about my friend's birthday and have to come up with a gift at the last minute. What should I give them? I have an idea. Take a pink ribbon. Wrap it around yourself. Fasten a tulle bow and a label that says, "I am your best gift." Print out a certificate for free hugs. Your friend is tired of waiting, and here I am with a unique present. What could be better than a big hug from a friend? Did you like our gift ideas? Comment below which one you want to try. And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss more useful ideas and life hacks from Troom Select.